Okay, today I am going to animate this pig in Maya. First, I am going to make a whack animation for our pig. We will later import this into Unity for our game. Now I am adding a tiny details for make it cool. The more you spend time on the small details, the more you get cool animations. As you notice, there is some skinning mistake in our pig in the stomach part. So I'm going to wait to paint this. Okay, almost finished. And now there is no bad skinning in our pig. I'm using component editor to individually fix the skinning of some vertices. Okay, now I am going to make an run animation for the pig. It took me only half an hour to make the run animation, while the idle animation, the walk animation took about 2 hours. I am not focusing on realistic animation. This is actually a funny type pig, so not realistic. The fun is always cool. So, and I am using editing the FK directly, not using the IK and any other. I don't have any other rig controls. Okay, this is the final result of the run.